Made BangBang Shrimpless shrimp tacos with pancakes for dinner tonight. Let's get into it. So right here we got our lion's mane mushrooms. Wash it off, rinse it off real good, tore it apart, made it look like shrimp. Now it's time to season with the Lipton seasoning. Slap your mama's smoked paprika, lemon pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. So make sure the season is nice and covered on the lion's mane mushroom. For the batter, we got flour, baking powder, and the same seasons we used before, just adding right back to the flour batter. Here we have the wet batter. If you're a vegan, remove the egg. We're going to sprinkle the flour batter over the mushrooms, mix it up real good, pour on the egg batter, and then we're going to re-dip the mushrooms back into the flour batter, and then we're going to cook in hot oil until golden brown. These mushrooms looking real shrimp-like. We're going to sprinkle some lemon pepper on here, and let's get into this BangBang sauce. We got sweet chili sauce with mayo. I use vegan mayo. Pineapple chunks, tablespoonful of mayo. Pour in a sweet chili sauce with some pineapples. Add some minced garlic. Mix up. Look at that. Now let's toast these corn tortillas. I put olive oil in the pan. I make sure it's olive oil on both sides. I toast until golden brown. Now let's go ahead and get this shrimpless shrimp covered in this BangBang sauce. Drop in, mix up, make sure it's covered real good. Place on the toasted tortillas. We're going to go ahead and sprinkle some red cabbage on there with some pineapple chunks, some green onions. This plate right here is for my man. Thank you to my man. Baby, these shrimpless shrimp tacos was banging. For more recipes, go ahead and check out my YouTube channel, FatSoulFoods, and subscribe.